Mwanjumu ligereri jinga ki chia tigaire jidaika 15 chiba chinsa isato cheri tukaligalia lero ritukuria Jumapili tariki ni 5 mutenyino gatatu umwaka gwechiribu 2025 mo ritukeriganigoreria bene century ya bene gekorane rituko rimanyikete na International Women's Day rituko ria abasubati na jokingiri gusona laita noti rigotoka chitwatenga twensi na abasubati igoti maitinga karamonda gwa twanze n'abasubati igo nande ine njira ya myo kwegerera gakire ningakire ningotoka gari tugerigari rero na mwaje muri bana natika gukumanyia nigotore no Mosque Dolphin Bwari uyore nominated MCA kurwa se county ya Kisii na boigo Rebecca Nyatich Bosire uyu na rero kirie kerengagio kurigie kerwo kyo bwonde bwa se county ya Kisii na we Mosque Dolphin Bwari taribona rugie kerengagio kurigie kerwo kyo boguma ndebwe se county ya Kisii nekerenga kia bero rasigeka sana na boigo Sam Miyenda kurwa sensa meliende nera tari kuli bomanire na mna wachi bata ladies first inje naika koba munaika gotangana teto chake no Mosque Bwari nyaka bagakuba kwani magoroba ya lero na baratume enkwana yebere isa tuige gore litukolia lero.
Asante sana chocho sobo karibisha studio litukolia lero ekererigani litukorito. Kwanza kabisa nganchere mkwani umwanchi umurigerere gari otorigerere motebi imarogo bengia Happy International Women's Day asabasubati bonse ipi batorigerere disco garia and to every woman ko musubati tarigento kiororo so we celebrate nto chengere teri tukerige neri tukorieto na kikiagere kero kwanga kire simwante incherero nchiko kuana na basubati mangana ya basubati nata it's very important esengencho erineri tukorieto neri tukoriabo na incho mete ngaire gasi na basubati abaiga bare nkagaiga esengencho I represent them na ningo chinde nateba cherendete yo ere better way yo ko represent abantu kama turi katikati ya barabu yako era ncherete yo ndache komanya shida cha basubati ndache komanya ngaki muchando ki musubati agwetera kama tindi katikati ya basubati egera sana onyora basubati imi na ndinte gutuka sichinkwana chance cha basubati na lirinde nonye nondo bwato bosemi bonde bwensi atete konga ndagenderere ntuke bado ndubwato mwaka almost mwaka nonusu in the county assembly na ndi pia nigote nimbwate kerenga kyogo serve uno women representative in 2027 so inga kibune yige kartogo chato saransto kwane ngambo ya basubati inje ngo nshape niere kwa nyorondo ndikere message onta bina ya Bwari genda kwanirike neke se Bwari buna basubati ntubwato buri muri bwo ikagana gene so asante sana soko ngari bageriga nande nindigerete gotware ngambe ngia ya marogo.
Karibu sana amo subati Nyatichi ni tule ya intangana kigi magaso agatembe TV itangana go kwarga ne senjera ya bene alafu nayo nyaka go kwarga ne murigeri itolio korigeri tyo mukwana nera igweri igiri yao
secretary anenkoro ku Rebecca Nyatichi Bosire na inche nago kire korangera bugega nje gukwanira umwanchi mutege umuregererie sengenjo abana buntegete bache ban support 2027 na ndanyuma ribaga yani ntaraika gukwana nkwira ribaga ko batebi Happy International Women's Day asaba ngina bali bakoboke kemambie ntuko saa 9 bagenda ichiro chikorigeria abana asaba ngina bali chisingo mothers isiko gari asaba boraka bali bonse batigiru bakorenda abana asaba ngina bali bonse bagotake care of abana bali babwate disability na abana bali babwate disability bonse pi ko bate Happy International Women's Day nje buno Honorable Rebecca Nyatichi Bosire ngo batebinga nonde na inwamu
Sam I think I take out
wata wanga twins na botore erende yukidogo na machiko ngerali nakikuwa kibeka but ndakete kwa ni abantu bonse ritangani ase nkagari asibare tire tukolia lero tukolia gikaro ya bubona botambe enamba ya kabere I want to echo what Madam Honorable Bwari atebere na boigo Madam Nyatichi celebrating all the women. At the end of the day, no any tuna to and stuff, we have different gender, but our source nase basubati. And when we are seeing mothers and our sisters, our brother, I mean our uncle, aunties, naba ishimiwa kuna waiga wako support the rights of the vulnerable. You know, women are considered as vulnerable, and maybe those people living with the disability. So it means that they are very important in the society. So in a very special way, they have a happy International Women's Day, which is our spot once a week. I think specific to my mother. My mother Jackie Kemunto Obuaya. I'm a product of a grandmother, Helen Obuaya, and many women who have supported me. I want to say Happy International Women's Day, and they saying you know what is more important. For these two special ladies, opportunity Happy International Women's Day.
Thank you.
Yes.
Mujamano kigema mwanjo muligererie naye senginjoga chora kabamu na intwe senjera ya na Gatembe TV toganiri Happy International Women's Day na rinde talinganda radio tokubasharekea kera lituko na kerensa na kere dagika musike bwali na tokuchaka na ekerega ne kyogo chaka bwali tukaligali ofa torate batobe gwikira ekerengeki
ntubuna basubati totorere esabari erintambe kwanza ntumanyika ine ribagali umusubati iri agwente kobera chikoni ene ribagali umusubati onyora abana osoye chikoni ene ribagali amanyika niri umusubati but nkogendera turi gukora ikintu gikuru ku evolving tokogendera ku change ingakya kwanyodre bonega kale noena abana muwe umusubati bantu mbari ngikin kumuira school lakini bonega abana baita basubati abayine abaito chinyaruka ngo soma tore go basoma tore and bachakire kurokina noene chikosi chiri bakoira nchiri chikosi chiri cha mono maite na sciences nchi amanyire na sciences ejini cha basaja physics ebintu bibyo amanyire bine bya basaja noene bitabu byeto bya kale oise koligereri ekero bagochora a pilot. Yes. Na bago chorero musacha. But bago chorere nas asegetabu bachoro muswati. So discrimination has been all the way. But after the Belgian waswati ntu achite Belgian. And we made a declaration. After the Belgian declaration tuachakire ko evolve ngora nkonyorore na ribagari muswati yachakire kumenyekana. Ntura ikastu atagite gwikira. And we are in a journey. Nani tubuna basubati nto tingete chireso toko tena nto tayari uskangora mpaka toike istoka niri kwikira. Although to make it very positive steps nabona iga basubati baito baswire si biasara gukora bali biasara biasana abasubati baito baswire as boardrooms, serious boardrooms chigasi chinene. I'll give you an example of no control of budget Kenya yiga no musubati okuru kunyakango, a very good friend of mine musubati okuru sei to gusiga iga kuru no ako so bonere nyamiraga iga she's from Gusi uno mwana musubati mu Gusi tese korigere mo auditor general uno musubati amangana iga leadership positions una bona igo borai ntu abate G7 ege ntu kere tu aringe very proud una basubati to tenga G7 ni tu ariko nyiruka G7 because tu bataba governor basubati baringe batano babere bintu mbia to chirete iga tokera na bona to G6 but bado ntura give up ntu bwate target na maybe by the next election aba governor basubati nkonyoro to a very good number to make progress especially in offices to make the progress especially as a biashara lakini kile to cha siasa bado ntore maiga especially buno mugusi
ngwera natore terigereria abo anamuna aso mugusi abese kwa kwanire kerenga sakane geresa mugusi amo sikenya teach wikiranga no tatu kuligero kyobo gumandrep igona boranya kwari kwanyinga a level playing field there oro ya siasa tachindo observation ya oneri ngaitole bona gasako adibona kuligereria mangana iga mangana agenda
asa mangana agenda njengo ndatebenge gap nero especially mno yomdata basi siasa asenge njobono toligere elective posts okonyora abasacha enamba yabasachere bara bange kubwa basibati alafu toche mono abasibati okonyora to kunya kurwande biroge byo woman rep abonge biroge byo bwempi obo MC obo senator okonyora abasacha nabo baichirororo nende buno musibati bone shida ne yabeire geiga iruka se chisaidi chititu chagusi estenero abasacha bago dispace abasibati for example musibati otenene nkubori ore ekero kire abasacha bakubori abanga for instance obo MCA gosobo obo MP gosobo senator gosobo governor okonyara criticism nga nki okubori kwari kwando mumandre boino yan like ibiro chibunga ibiro gebi nebi abasacha nga basibati babwene etikobori bono like egenteke getakeruge chake n'abasacha iroke chisaidi chitu chiagusi ba change mentality yabo ba tiga bangina nabarabu bayirigeri oyo okonyora nyore bagocha koba buna bali yani bakubaingiria muno bakuba arrest irigete bakora in a negative way yani bakuba robuna ababisa tigabono ba tige siasa yetonye kore kero montabori oyo okonyora nyore kero montairwanere
watoto mbwate liswali kuja sawa heshimiwa kwa rende tiganda recommending honestly we have some progress kero kuligeria mangana yoborai especially 2013 when devolution ya chagete you will telling ntu abwate musubati any musubati orenge senator I don't think there was we never had a governor though we had aba MP mbaro abuna bao milio dembo and others babo maybe others who had come mono baswati go bamanyikanete as people who are being given these nominations. Actually I remember during the gender parity there's a gender bill schedule vegete then karalinge majority leader supporting the 2/3 gender. I remember Mojumbo renge nominated disability Sankok. I followed the conversation agatawanga. These are just flower girls. Yana abantu baro to these nomination slots. That is how they have been known. But when we came to 2017, you find out that ntu anareta basubati batatu barenge chigavana. May her soul rest in peace Mama Laboso, Joyce Obomet. We had Mama Charity Ngilu, then we had Waiguru. I think we also got a senator who was I think there were three tiang teboli mnama then orenge onakuru Mama Susan Kika who's now she's a governor. When we came to 2017 enambe comment we had Kawira Mwangaza now impeached tukatwara
the same man Waiguru Susan Kika
Charity Tachetu Koboli
the wata Gladys Wanga Kurumata
Homa Bay tukatwara
nini Machakos
Kavindu Machakos Machakos then we had also Oyoigao Kwale Mama Fatuma Achani and also
Machakos
Wavinya Ndeti
the senator is the woman so tukatwara even the senators we I think we have how many of them
a good number.
Kavindu Fatuma Dulo
the one for Nakuru the senator Keroche
Tabitha Karanja so enambe yo comment and 2022 mba mentete tukatwara baba Fatuma Achani bagacha Cecily Mbarire and others so it means we have progress ase obo unanobo jumbe actually tukatwara already so in the kopoli looking at that progress we want to single out Gusii. What do you think about the leadership ya Basubati ba Gusii? Is there a time that we need now to put the story aside in Basubati mba kogamba and we also adapt this that other communities they accept Gusii? Do you see that at one point?
Andamo so mo Kenya teacher tara irandie karo kulimentarane karo kuligalia Gusii mna bono karo kyo governor Musubata yorenge settle ese county ya Kisii ngaitana ni county ya Nyamira nyati nitindai Baringoro
bamure tumo
yani nchebono gento nataka goteba niga yani egente can less iro kabona abantu baitu ba Gusii iro kabasacha ba change mentality yabo ba lao onde bwensi nabo Musubati regardless bunare aboli birogebyo iri aboli rinaende mbaba se koreta criticism mwembe nabo konyora abande bayirire birogo munabonega nabere nginkoligereri Musubati naro kobori koru chama nengare lakini yakobori koru bonjari abande baro bakunya guiso kunya kobora bo lakini uno bogavana naro kobori omonta akobori bogavana tell me why monta akobori bogavana lakini abantu bado bakomora bune joka bacha kumubona utanyara nena Simba sijui ni bonde mito bune buma tabona go to take buna yan like umuntu kara kubuli kero bune ku okomoranga tari serious
yani the moment ko ruke karanga ngono te kubuli kero keke already kwa chaga bwe kadi ngano nyare
yani ayoko rubune joka alafu nende kero kwa roka ni strong uno Musubati naro kubuli obu MC from somewhere usensa utmugrango kunya ufuatilia ndo online Facebook na roche yani ochakire kuba buno uri gutware ground muna chakire gutware ground kwa makonyora abantu bamurigerie scandal bacha komoroka gosenga nenkondi agokoni abantu nini ya like okonyora abantu talikero gikura kiri bona abantu ba focus tinere uko bari strong ende bamuite kabisa elinde bamuke ichinguru cyane
ne kerenga no kabaro musubati
na no ko baro musubati na igago basachambaro na naso.
Is it really men have the problem with Abaswati? Because when you look at the equerent tokorokanga population, Abaswati madam bwali muri abantu. It means that motake kugamba I think.
Alafu Abaswati we are our own enemy. Okoto anaenda na yetu tokero fight.
What is your take?
I think again tutogwenta gukora is a change of mentality.
Yes.
Mentality ni tugwatena into Abaswati we are weaker human.
Yes.
Yani bono mataki naona basacha abonse bakubuli birugungura mubali.
Yeah.
So kora mungu gone tiko ba anyone. Kurukobo ngowente ko bagitango kende kyonsi kyo kuboli birugo. And that is why yokorora no ene kero sokunye gunchuka na iganje no ene kero ngo enda matanga na ene chigansango te bakungu ga kesoki. Ese igiye ne ndoro. Na ndumete we tuise kogendera kurira buna ntumigire gusengo sokande bandame gusengo sokande bakoreki we are not going to get there.
Yes.
Gusengo sokande barenche ne joka maita abantu bakorora ne joka bantu bakaba balisko ge betinge ntungo china inyuria abantu bagwa kekura n'abananchi tari baraya babande n'abananchi bagwa kekura na bago choru murai. So otwari agenda ogenda saba abananchi gwika bakotegerere. Yes, ntobwato muchando monge bune starting point. Ntori go chaka buna abasacha. Because njo musacha uswatekera onte tukobori burai nimbwate challenge nene sana. Number 1, we can sabe no ene ribaga. Mutu muga kona atake kobori ekerogo na bongo cha kuigura no nyombo jirani na actually na bongo muno mokungu ntoige nande from the Bible. Bible kuneta vitana na ki a woman tafadhali submit. So this umuntu naro litogo submit to oromo gaka. Igo utarataka kubolie kirugo nkwira no uri nyumba urasaba libaga. Arafu muswati ribo musacho. Umuswati no bwe kinyoro. Osabe kinyoro libaga banje. Barayi batebe na ya baswati umetekero basoire sia sambaliga. There's that challenge. Alafu naende bono ntebe gintu kya kabere kya bere ebaria y'abaswati negintu kyo ku finances.
Yes.
Unlike abasacha tani n'abaswati ntura irwanirira kuri ikibeza lakini musacha nabwo atasago cyakira.
Okay.
Kubo mukungu musacha ago cyakira agaiga ekero buna tato minona gwaterete keinga. Rebe kanwa tereke inga sen inere tofauti no bwate title deed
ekapito yogo chakira nero
no bwate title deed yura otabe no nelo somewhere ochakire muswati timbu ati inheritance yonsi kurwa setata.
Depend on this man.
I will depend on
You yourself.
kwa igure na nyirwanirire yiga you financially we will not be the same. Yes ntogende to kurwana riba geriga and that is why togende to kotena we are breaking the glass ceiling. We are making very tokogende to make steps na bichikuru ku baby steps. Unabona kisi aninyamira the entire gusi eto what only one elected MCA Mheshimiwa Beatrice Makwai. Nandika aki yari kona mugusi nkoligere ritori through muswati yoyiga umuntu ogende odi ya pombaga. She has done great. Na bokoligere no muswati yunero mukuraga iga lakini rigere gasi yako okolire kubuga basacha. So if we can use that as an example then intonyo already baga yoko abaswati amabaga yoburai. So ototo ntuntora kana ntuta itego itoma sana na ndore ntuitomete nerina ese gitubwate societal norms. Kisi is a patriarchal society. Any society rimete na libagari musubati bado nchikonirire nerike igontora ikiragabo na kyokora tukunye kurandi ntora rosa kurandia. When we have a day like this ekero celebrate an International Women's Day una rero igente kenene kerenge kenene umeto kwari kungakire gusi nigente kinga na rego tena yaya gaki nindo sete ninjenje badai. But you see this is a conversation about muswati. ekero na royo minto Rebecca ukoboli ekero bonkoboli the first thing I told her baba kali mutwe because I am so proud that a young girl like her uisoki umuswati tata kubwata no neri kondo tari rice wakorwa muswati ubwatire igotene nona matango ubwatire ri kondo you congratulate every step muswati ondako make nande kero ya chira saba swati ototo ndunto bwati constituency constituency yetu muswati ndunto bwati kiama kiama yete ketanga no muswati oyenju biliari lakini mokune ngorate nenda iba mangana ye kiama gyagotoka ndara ruana nere nje nabona atebirinde nakitenga tabaganyora abasubati babiri bakurwana nyoro musacha n'umukungu bakurwana agaiga nje tinta itukomanya kwanza ngai nkora konyo musubati yoyiga tumenye gocha kumenya nkibali kubuna kesi baadaye why because that is my first constituency so igen to kembegete bunge no musubati riba kali musubati na rimbegete bunge
mashimo wetere statement yoka wa depangiro already notion yenga omubisa bo musubati no musubati kwa naye kwa chire level aya kwatabanga mubisa musubati tatake kwa musubati na atare musubati
that is the conversation togo tuara inere conversation to kurandi injiri na musubisa bo musubati taba musubati tigonyo royo mino kama yanga gechavuga to kurumaega tigakoba nayo gukuna kuno ukura abantu kubasiemerane yange nini chafuyere imukiereso yenda mutube abasubati tigangika asenko nyoro musubati oraire para beke mobereke mogongo that is the only way to rabwatirane n'abasubati to make a change ya basubati gusigaye
na amos Kenya chite na tichi as a statement ya abakungu bokuru se family na bwata conversation no musubati ndo tatukuboli karo kyo bo MCA twikaranste mungaye anye kaligerete na bara inyoronye kwenyere myaka ya range myaka neiga 5 niko musacho yatebete no tukaraste nga batanga 6 agatanga muna ko banyania boli chikura iga ochire so kengi ye koro ki yona
gobono yubono by the way yani mnateba mangana yuwa nomsi jubono bado chigenderete bono igo talibuya bono buno musacha kero mukaga chiro gotebiringa nintete kuborie kerogo nendo kwire genuine reasons naenda no roche na bwat umaito mundu na political talented yani orochenga na bakonyara tiga kumusiekera bono nikyo kumuserkia turamonyora na magoso echo tiga tutige fallacies chirito kuigu ngabasibati abari si politics ngaba na malaya ababarega nega ibi fallacies abantu moro bare politics bari kaneti na bai chogete bono mate society ante kujajia abasibati bari politics lakini tari bonsi bari abake bagosariri bari abange lakini abange mbaroro bai sikaneti na bakorega siyabo nende bagutumia right ways baka banyore biroge bono like bune society tigaitiga go judge abasibati ko baranga kerajire asoire politics o change rietabi tigaso amurigere na baranyore kakoba na ndo muyamo
nebakitenje sengo bege disclaimer ganga ki I will wish one day one of my daughters to be the president of the country and the president de sense ya Kenya tariko sa siasa
no na ndo mete egento pia na inche ngoteba egente ki Rebecca kwa nirigoro ya amasikani of course abasibati bari siasa ngote gubalina abasibati bataisiketi but again it's a responsibility ya intwe tugatama bagaya leadership unanje bono no MC nise ko isika bia abantu barembia nisigete e familia ya nembiere it could be an example so for all the women in leadership nje ngote baiga tiga tutari na ade tutware ni into mwene ndomia umetekero tukurwanira abasibati pe tukurwanira ko bataina let's do the right thing erinde abasibati abangi banyora amabaga kuri chinyumba cyabo tiga natenena umeta abasibati mbere bakonyora kabaga gasinini ko igwe nyuma yabonekire tiga natenena mnanje mumetane kinje nkuru kubwali nje no murugi bonsare ko rumasimba gaye abana banenga abayiga nande mbaga nawonyane kerondo mu MCA umugaka basekora guse ninsi konyora abana bonega nande nanyora umwana ndo mu MCA nande buna bonega ndigete mugaka ne tukonya kugamba nande yonde ngocha nani eni uche conversation yere ndonge ngiri kugutanga itu kuira kuna basibati barobora
baguru sabanga nyara bakasoa siasa
agatika numusacha
so which criteria did you use to tell this guy that, oh no, my that's and don't chingo chia, because I admire the way you have said. You are a mother, you have done, you are as a woman, as a wife, you are all that. Don't nere a bit tricky, because no matter these leadership positions, it needs you to be engaged so much. So on a lighter note, what criteria did you use to convince him that please allow me to
You know,
and
someone is
andagire mashime karogara liboli ya sam bado nabo maybe amagoso ni galese preparation yo mwana munyarukanga kana chikobo murai yame go ikabona by the time mwana munyaruka gusoma subate gatanga natati kuri garo kyo buraya tokanga kurumaega ni galigere negatively konyo go sokorwe se family nga nabo konyoro mwana mumura na eroro mukoti mwabo lakini ekosina karaba gande bajire na ero gatawe ngae nyarebe na rogo twa photo kutanga sese family kosina ero kwa mwanga ngombe na ngombe kanyani kosina ngoko kosina ngondi kosiningi
so omaite and that goes again to the space to a girl child na kitogo kini abana kurunga ngo bakini tore twaigerio mumura na the man of the house. I know when I leave ekerongora asoka no ninja, I don't know if it's a mistake I make or say it's a responsibility. Ekerongo soka gusenko ende gusinigas for 1 week ngora ngiri mwisi yo monena mote ya maite nayo musacha wono nayo muchi and I will know at some point kora ngiri nde nyaruka ya nene nayo tena boro make sure bantu baragire nyumba gayo. So it's either a mistake that we are doing. However, una abana bagende to gukina, it's also important to begeri responsibilities. Una echiga chigo chichiagera to chigo tenini gukurukubori burayi. Responsibilities unabonega embo morayi mbo mo MCR kama nakarugiro mugaka ntike kuruga mbenga ke chibe bichara irangi ntebe bono no ene bintu tiniko sibya. You see, I will set an example. Abasubati bago chakurigire niki oli squeezing ko karali gende gete na numete ni ntuto chaka muna tora abasubati ntutari kende munu tusariri bweka konya no chimukanya squeezing ko karali gende gete squeezing ko karali gende gete. So as an example abasubati abagatore leadership is a very big responsibility. Any responsibility anene sana konya tuko. It's important for us to act the part. Act the part tigaba gene bache mwao banyo nayo kubasibya magoko ugusibyo mugako gamako mugako gotangenda chiko complain na tararagira kule nyumba gusenna gusengwa chete mikutano ikagera ukaibega asiende ya nyumba because women are known to multitask. Ntubuna baswati umetenje na bako nyorango musibye bintu mwana nimbere gete mogongo ningende to kugamba na muntu gete chinge nimbe gete gai chinde gaiga and life still goes on. So that responsibility na kingo tena the women that have been given a responsibility should first take that. Kuboli mugako neriba kabuna kwamboli na was it easy? It wasn't easy. Because I think when I first mentioned it aliyeti akaseka kandavi hane akasaliyo mugana mukanga gende siasa then nkagendera nkabapa assistant akega ndako esansana bagaka bandako batena mukungu meta konte bina tetega abagaka bali bakamutu mukao unali kieni oyo chiri para siasa bali mbako para siasa bali bago tigera and you see it didn't stop but it took ekagera nche ngaikanya nakibago tena obunese nyomo oikoikanye submission oikoikanye iranense mwebereri motena gakyo mwanchi twamenyerega twamenyere nganchireri bageri iga nimbwate byagaso nindo chechishide chiga chirege ga sabasubati nganchire aba nganchire tole shingo upande lakini eventually adopt 3 actually is very comfortable. Wana kirongo motena naki mko endande no eno mukutano for 1 week wakankora dinanya korro bwate shingo panda kego unless you karikurengerekana but eventually ngo adopt
toko chakatwara letu kolia men's
bote monda ngeriyo mugako
achata that is a very big conversation because my tabas party abare nande ni mbwateri sore tabas party rending ko bare korigiri bare nchira gete barenga abantu gete baro na madam mwate banga baro chikaine bachikone that they cannot do this. And I have a question. Over women rep at some point is it an opportunity to yachite ngarende we cannot nominate many women in these leadership positions yatubaligeria ga slot kabo specifically egere bacha sebunge and do you thinking a two-third yekane kirane
mana mbado tarata taina era ko sena boli onde
madam ya wana mo ko le na swali mo ko le na what is your feeling go say
yes muna ata it's very hard kero ko boli abande bakoranga like okogenda kuchiali bono utiore ko ba paka wa ni mstuni lakini bono njebuna na boleti na chageta so kumoboli lakini nara weke anamanyete konyora. I used to be a lead actually. I used to be a youth representative at Rajambili Market. I'm also a teacher. Now my tenede si campus na be inkobo murai. Bona matenga ngante siasa. No eli tu merenete na maitenga ngante siasa. Na renga we anga no mwana sisa go deal nere. Wono tebe ti gento ko mono okwana nere senga jona chitenga mutei bono si kire ga bonte tensuke level bori ubo woman rep. Na kyore to gokora. Agante biaye achimotia na usap no mostly ibintu bya nebingo kunyora nero comment o share baka sometimes yani ako mno go blogger ngo support yare
so you are lucky to have
we the blogger nitana
mono like I appreciate karango support yare o yusu bano ninche mo beke into public domain ma tekero ko boli kero geke ikore to mwanchiogo abantu bamorole baranga you are a family person mete matenga kero family person ndio kunyara kora lakini shide sere abo sacha barabumba ariko bajudge buna women kera abo sacha barabu kunyora monta ko boli wacha gustokeranga tabwate mukungu
but you see
you know that thing teriko bafea
natural that look at even the church leadership and then we have the Bible, you know the Bible is supreme. Kwesa kulikiringa abantu mano barenge abarai babo when we hear about prophets though we had prophetess but in church sana so it is the setup ya chire mwana mwese wasn't like someone kukuligirira kumono but for me
but we had women in the Bible strong women in the Bible
but on rare occasions that's what I like mbarengo una a prophetess. I think there was a prophetess in Durka.
There was even Judge Deborah.
I'm still
prophetess was so there. And like, no. Yani, aba sacha, muna aba swa talk about judge. Marko judge the same. Sasa njoko nyora. By the way, aba raimbara bange manyete. Konyoro murai. Ogo chikuyu dai after very elected inga. Tabu ati mukungu. Lakini mukungu eri buna chaka buna yesu mora iga korana. Anymore. Facebook now, women in politics, and we have to accept the facts. And one like you go one of no musbati when to bank him into BK, bigger, be stumbling block to your and to kill your ticket.
Some Naboliganga, you got a agenda, Mangana agenda,
women rep.
Women rep. Namuesum Namolega, Negro Mopoli. Yani, Bono, Cosim Refaidi Boltia. Niko mwalite kroke kokoba na kikere rais yokoba kebekere ngana basubati ko sene qualification mu abwata go se no experience
no this variable initially is how ikirugi kyo women replicate was it there to fill the space and apparently that was the main reason ikirugi women replicate begeto waitolia mabagali ya parliament eri totuare 1/3 in parliament bakarona tiga totuare 47 were elected from all the 47 counties abandi bamanye ko nominated to fill that gap because in parliament you know to almost 290 constituencies so if we nominate then the number will definitely go very high so for that ekagerekere okyo women representative kegachicha and yes abantu abange most of the things ebigo korwa asing into that 1/3 wona igano nyora obo waziri ekerobo kwenanwa goko igwa ena rigere rigenda gender tari na musacha bago tayari rigere gender goko igwa gender umukungu the second name to a woman ya very gender
yes
eni rietarieto and I think we are owning it I think we will love it because we want it more Tikapage ndiko tena rigiri gender but we need a woman in those spaces. Okonyoro ne keraba declaration e okoru gintu kya okoruga abasacha boka batenini. Riba rigiri kana ore. Gender day ya tone sa. ai itonina agase bicha mwabe kwa sibicha
what you again tuna machiko bwata yani ringaki harenga abate ne bata ya yategera abantu boranga we have included them.
That is what the men are doing and that is what we are fighting. Ntubuna baswati ntu ntutete bakali musacha we just want our space within the men.
Yes,
Yani ri bakali yeito nana ki intuna ntutete kutoka in these boardrooms intuna ntutete mabaka yebi asara buna bona igama bagaya igatoire 1/3 ichitenda chonsi ipi abaswati ntoire bagari yoturi okore biasara because no na ya igatoire ekene gototo na hotebi yari koba no konyarikana nekero we kyaba women okyo women repo musacha ngo acheru wali wago nsa naona kira kinango nango bali gotona ningire kyo gekogera mwigimere buna basacha ama bagaito
most zikure na tatu kubole karo ke women. I don't know whether it was a joke or serious yare
agaja kanyorana
na serious interesting kero ke na jira mongo bole
because I want to agree with you. Initially kero colonial abakoloni barengo we had Indians who could represent Africans. So I think when you are timadi was a position yet everything specifically no most swati went cover was so most swati I think almost such an abago to represent women. If we had Indians who could represent Africans, they want Africans.
Then at that time no was swati ngai bale abago to represent
but you know it's very possible. It's ebuna gusiya itogaiga the conversation might never stop.
Yeah.
If they are given a chance by aboli, these men will come and they will fight for those positions and then abago chababe kibokoro. Ototo to your second question, nkwabori why women rape. Na ani amabaganda on sipinaro why? Nche Azbwari, I will speak for me Azbwari. There is on naso ete politics, kero muntu napate reason yago so siasa. Reason naso ete siasa entangani no kurwandire space yo musubati. Because yani gentunkyo kyari kondoma punu musubati koba underrepresented kuunererigwa and there were very many challenges abasubati betu bagusiba gwetera much of gender based violence nerororo challenges sinyingi abasubati betu bagwetera gusiye yetu ekagera ngatwale byagaso ndatena tigangende mbulikiro kyo women rape. I wasn't selfish ekera na tebe tukuna yaya pati bone gete kunyana kwa ticket lakini nabato kwali bagali ko represent baada basubati yabo ase bunge ya county. I still didn't give up because wako tebaiga nchirinde onsinda nini nkwa ni sauti yo musubati that opportunity banyere hi kangana aliko tenda bono ngo chakoganya mbake kigango chakoewa ngateba tinganda chaka ko represent yiga nda kwa ni sauti yiga se bunge yiga se county assembly change kerinda nyare go change in that period. And I always tell people I thank God I wasn't elected as a woman representative in 2022 because I don't think again you have to be honest to myself.
Yes,
I don't think na ringere di kuraba sabati bagusi tari singi chuna ringo moke tari singi chunta bwato bongo lakini konyotinda amenya na barabu ena ari koru Nairobi nche gusiga iga na uba umera chi weekend rimolimo but egasi na iri yo work in the county assembly yangere ri bakali ko berange no musubati yangere ri bakali ko manya eshida yo musubati ogusi nereri ko interact na barabu day to day because no ndeni chikansa na barabu no nda matanga na barabu no nde chi functions kira nje ntura ndo nsiyante na mukungu na karase get chironde because igari abu na bungo represent I have got an opportunity yo kumanya omusubati umugusi shida kiabwate and challenges yo musubati umugusi jibwe kari yo challenges yo musubati umugere usumusubati umuikoyo usumusubati umuasai challenges yo musubati umugusi nchire tofauti and having that opportunity yo ku understand the challenges now I feel I'm in a better position bono iga una bugari gotenina gusaba basubati ribaga nyende mbaraye nandi makorere gasi in a better way. I will because bono iga ninde sure I will give better representation. Nimete kama nature ziyabanyina nimete abanyina mbabwate byombi nimete byombe bibi abote banking ngakibago kora. I have had an understanding because na so ire byombe bibi bindemi nyamanyire na yaye bigo kora iga nimete mungino uri chiro ime e challenge yabwate so ngo chikoye gwe kitiki musubati nimetena yaya ebesa ni etakire ebyombe byabangina bakonyora na berire nabasubati ababuraka bagoseri gukuruchimbo abo narolire amangana gender based violence na actually I have encountered it one on one. Because gusiga igano abantu abange bametena ki aye kesi ya gender based violence kiriya to kiriga ngaki yako nga akira bugali. It's myself, Honorable Lilian Gold, no Mheshimiwa Nairo Kurukudamaris Nyanchoka, spearheading this mangana gender based violence. No to ko minyoka buango to minyoka to alikeri no mobura ko seri kuruboy to ren riya mobura kabangi sana chimbo. Ekero ba seri we give them lawyers, we fight for them, baira na chimbo. Kama na abana baiga ba tubate cases ya defilement. We have done that. To akora restriction analysis ngobo kama bingo tena ek sub county gete. Cases ya GBV chiroro nechiga nande cases ya GBV chiroro esitangaine neke getangaine. So I have had an analysis you understand na gusimereri. So I'm not vying for women rep because it's the only position, but I feel abu nonda nyoleri bagari okolro muspatie gazi the right way. Yeah.
Musikenya tichi nga kikwara ngatose. How did it come about
why women rep and not other positions? Asenge njomaete inchebone ngento kiagerete ngabuli women rep ndiri bono buna basibate kenekero yani kenga twakoreirwe favor toiru nchebono na rigeriti nkarora egasibune egokoru gastengo geti. For instance from aba women rep abaire from before egasiba okora okonyora buna bono chipads bono tigante boyororo ekyane rororo mumande pororo donya chipads akubwata wena na in a way etari transparent. For instance na bakorangeria abana 100 ncheko rega buna narorire abana 100 wakachibicha bachibogoretiga echindo irani omanya go post yote wenda nire kisi county weta chibesa chiangafu chikwene ni sentere tariengia bono chibesa chiangafu okonyora omu women rep korobisia yabwata abantu bae boko bona ndo babeka ba full abantu banda around baba kurumega yabo bono baba nekyombe babwata bono no muntu umarepu batike bonero lady kumbe no muntu umande bamanyerane ti bana bona empowerment program kiba sirichena nugali abantu bari health bonds no for example 100,000 kero muntu ego kiba siri naende lakini behind the scene chirana naenda so woman rep amangana mnawe wishinga amangana buna ibono amangana buna ibono woman rep bona alafu yani ngento kerondo chi yani bono asende yes of course I mean Jubilee party lakini we can kuwa nekene yani for instance totebe bono omuntu oberi basigete ose oriwe gasigete okorire abantu barorere tari effective ba mwakire isiko nene ngakia okoreira nene ndatebe nkibono akorre na inde bono akocha okonvince abantu nga naira nibu for instance go satotebe enyangi okogenda enyankero kogenda yanganero kwagorete kare yagotire yatandukire yokobeke yage yatandukire ywengo tu gosoko gore nyike anubate muscles yokogora ne chibes yokogora ose ne nyokogora obe kwende nero bona kingo tebe yani buna enje bono amude nini that nini new face ya chire bono tegete gocha gochenchuba yani ngo tebe nga omwanchi omorigereri achenchi okoboko bona buna abumane po baberire twarore gasi abo bakorire nje personally terango kubuna bakorire sengenjo yani barakora sibune takeiru transparent ngaf abangina abo boraka bakonyi banyore chi ngafu eyu chi scholarship abana babaye basome tiba arabigo korekana yani minto birege guys kano chiporojo chioka bona kiagere tinchengara tencha kere asa magosa sengenjo am a teacher by profession na bali mu bakorigereria asa ebinto birebobe ba fix bona una matiango ito are Mr. Fix It. Mrs. Fix It. Take care of my teacher. You know, teacher I could get a problem. Echo skuru yo katirichire kwere chiwaka ni chibasa chirense chiskuru echi chitarichie body chigwaka ntiba stinzi nabongo konya waka nabana bonega baichire sko gali bare chicho yani bara abana aba bare street boys abongo rabuna nko bakonya mbakonya solve this problem chiaba yani like yani ndo chenga chichida chiarengororo na chichiagerete ngatenne karoyeke nkabori
tibaitenga mheshimiwa akula wish
bono next ingokore gasibuya ngende no bo governor bono mato go chako go solve chi problem chiroro chichide chum fix next bono bakora na korre buya bono mwanchu murigereri okora na korre buya mwangeri chikure chura kore gasibuya mongo bo governor.
So madam means like koranga otage tukutuma ka obo ke space yobo women rep ko bele tuma space, but it's okay. Abalende naro nabona manyanga timaitinga asinare kidogo. I don't know whether you have evidence you have ever gone to those places, maybe madam Mako I mokiri abantu I personally okaranga na obyo korga I don't know, but we can't discuss Madam Honorable Donya. She's not here because of the right of reply. So mheshimiwa, you are ready to be a women rep ya Kisii.
Yeah.
So I korengana naye is that you feel like bari baro no yo lengo na iwo gotebanga so what is the problem of what if Janet is coming kolega sia chagete and madam woro ochire nage ndrete na feel it gukora you are new fresh blood na ngochor of course. Why do you feel like Madam Honorable Donya Janet tabwanti wocha ukore you achagete na oyo wrong kiata ukora maybe you abwate
yani tinda kwana turambwata byo njuma etete tindike gasogo umate Madam Janet ongera no muntu nsigete mono yani tore chama ya Jubilee ndengo korari gasengiye gutia simate yani naro gukwana yani kuba realistic umate nje na to korrekene no abantu njena abana ende na tenere chiro nabete elected youth representative kinda gake 19 years wono like abantu no badira jamba maitenga nje no muntu very transparent na to korrekene that is the fact bono gakite tutebanie kene bono buna bono kwa berre asegete muno kwa berre asegete gose kwa berre buraya asegete muno musubati muna bono yantinda kwana boba older women they need to empower young women muna nje na chire buna bono Dolphin Bwari okwande bekara mate konyora ngumira na tore ibintu mbiro madam gete koro kwedi na kangwane ku organize ikoro kugusu women leadership network bono mbu ya mwamonde teragaiga nkwanere mutega kinkosabande kura support sente ni na buba nkoni bisete bagantebi to botaba to sominga young women take up elective posts abo sibatu bwategeka ebirogo birebike yani bakeire bari banga se elective post take up bona atene bona ngakirenda to okora support ren na kwa encourage gari gusu women leadership network rende na uchaye kwa nyure machama
no me I will mentor people and I'm very proud I'm very proud that there's a young girl I mentored yani kama ntunkiren kurara butukuna kanale mana tananiki umuswati nari nas kuniro bugima bwaye my role nandege ntunda rale butuko yani mpaka kani ntimukanda chengo kena I have touched a woman's life nintagete sana gukuna ubugima bwo munyaroka bumuswati and I'm very happy mheshimiwa Rebecca kuasokire kubulikirwe wiki 100% ningo sabirita maya nando metekirwe keginga chimbereka tokoswa eresto kuminyoka igari tokuminyoka ego depending akikwali bukima bongania usinga kichinguru chao chirenga kikirungu kyao kere usinga kiyalenge kwanyorana naki aseresi yiga watanganire komwancho murigereria aranchena Rebecca to represent I will support you 100% because I'm happy and I'll be very proud and I'll tell you even the women leaders that have led us before I have so much respect for Honorable Janet Ongera I respect her so much I have so much respect for Honorable Donya and as I said njenanya gotinga musubati sei igentongo kora nko musubati ribagali yayi ninte temba ribagali ororo bakolegasi ya nando metenchi gasi ane tariko mark report from you musubati odegwensi njenkwira nagale sabangine nabo boli abangine mwanyolre chibesa chebyombi abangina boka bakoraki bairaneri mwatoli ruchinyongo abangina boka bakoraki bairaneri njetindi ko maki njetnanya komanya gose bakorire simbarakora umungino olenkagali nero uchikorigere na umuraitu achorete sekero gikyo women representative otokoreire kameke no bakoreire muisanikire nje ninde tayari onde bwensi aire lakini kama abangina mbaraisanika na irure nche kubasavu anti nkobetereria gekogera kura turi kobetereria ekurogo sabero ko bukoko musi nche ngocha sabangina namba sabere no ko bukoko musi mbatena gaki nimbwatebia gasubyo ko bari present na aberire na inuga iga na arorire umuchando tugwetera na arorire challenges tubwate nkunganchira muri because bakugwanchira abantu abayiga bagugwanchira na Nyasaye yanchirane abonsi pe bagwanchirana nje wigwari ninche women rep 2027 lakini bakwanga uliogochorwa nere nkubwatesia and for all the young girls all women walibatete guisokia sebirogo nintete guchaka nimbwate platform and Rebecca ngo gwadinde ikoro kukisi women caucus that platform ebwata bakungu bonsi wale siasa despite political affiliation yao abaswati bonsi baroburai I encourage every woman udebwensi utete guisokia soka agaiga turuane tuegere nkoira rero nyatichikora irere nera undiejega nchitinko egwe ndiko sengwa tano bugaba no tete na ayiko nenje kindaire kora arore na kwengeira ake mbwate sekerongo kolega asiane ama rorayo bugate na yo nonde moreto bosemi bunango chinateba undete yobwate monopoly of wisdom tosanga obosemi oboiga tokoregasi tokorera omugusio muswati itegasi na litoko ekero toko tena no bugavana tu aringe to act na kiki nkonya gotabirege to acting as an example
yes
twairo ekero geke women repekeke tugechongeriga ndokora kindi gekorerekana nonye no konyora confidence yokonyora ibirego ibinde ndokonyora so it's a responsibility for every woman oiruri bagalio borai kolega asibia ko maite you're not doing it for you you're doing it for your daughter no ina kero mokoro nkurwana mangana gender based violence tiri nkurwana na singincho na woze nkurwana singincho ndo murai nkurwana na libageriga na inchike nkoira no burai bwane bugo chakoera nkoendanga kwanyora there is a safe space a safe place for my daughter to walk in the streets comfortably kwanyora na rosiri in nafasi ingia ncentairire ndekero ugo sonda taro koleti kusenko savu ngokora inyaruka yane nerera achiche so into politics comfortably agenderere that is what we are seeking togo sabano ko bokoko musi
mbe mono musike bwari na baganya tije tutogenda takukwanira na mangana mayaki makolende musikenya tije namo cyo kwana statement yamo iyo koroga already natural tense male egente ke koleta libolirega ugosirwa muna abasibatu bagaso siasa na kimo gosiro koro kubwetkana bana kurwe se byama gusa abantu bakuruga toboroke abantu bali bono bali a few steps ahead of you gesiasa muna bono mon totebe tubwata bagafana tubwata bana bachumbe tubwate president tubwate deputy president gochegora ngo tambo ke barako bako gochense ko bwata kabako muna no basibate kurasarongoro gusi
bono buna ukwanero kabuna nje buna estata koberegasi esengencho yani bali gorogali bali gotendi gokwira sire ani bakoranga yani bakoranga project joka otomire bono like abara bali gorogali baroraro nende bake bagusupport youth in politics onera bwati omuntu as an individual ne moyo yere lakini before nkwanere kukwateba nataka kubori oyo minto bwari ribori kiagera bono otebekene siasa teatokorekene siasa si kanisa siasa tebe gento hedon bunakere kola spade unabone gato kontebinga ayebono kubori women rep ngaturi kombake gazi abali bande bakorire okwanere ngokanyo omwanchi mutegereri ere achiko gotebi mato mwanchi mutegereri nabakwongo eguno erubwebu no montegete acha goteba tutamo se one time to be sincere bono una erendo tenereta basibati wate bawo tenerete gali abasibati abuna mwemse tenereta basibati no bwene to kumaki gasi yabo kagaga nayo gototebe kanga nayo takiru kwande gasi yabo tebe bunoyo lakini bono abanera berabe kongwese ngencho ayo mo bo more nere echame maybe na vera bakong bone ekubono kereke egentege kong bono ekyagara bone yekworoki gogocha kwegwekero geko na begocha koba kong kurigeria magosara segete yani like ogo act like torgo kwanera bono roche koba
obuya bwari
nche I clearly spoke nche tindi korwani basubati banyore
okutari korwani
no listen ngari bagari anene nche ngota nche tindi korwani basubati banyore ribaga and nande nagota ina timbu ko back report forms cia abantu bairiribaga abantu babakirite chikura n'abananchi nimbwate responsibility anengere buno musubati ninche ngwonete ko bori gwa masubari one gaharo niyo gwente ko mbori as a member of the county assembly kigwa koreire imyaka yega kwa bere assembly kigwa koreire nafasi y'umusubati chigaps sirinche nkorora ekero naligere na ribagandira unagwate beishi ya sanitary towels. I think Mheshimiwa Rebecca, you've seen me in several occasions. Ngoeta school, ngoeta na sabana chinyaruka, go distribute sanitary towels. You've seen me ngo so ebyombe ime, ngo korana barabu ibintu bikuru ku table banking, ngo sengo changira ebyombe byabasubati. So again tonda akore. Nabo maetekero muntu nabwate formula nabo konyore mbebanira ali kiro muntu anyite njirende yonse. Onde naro dete konye mocha. Mheshimiwa Rebecca ngabere sana kama tinda atumia. Tari na gusese njitore kia makende nundi. As I said, I'm not in the same party with Janet Ongera, but I respect her so much. I am in the same party na Donya, lakini na inche nango actually no, she's right now in the broad-based government, but wone gani chengwene to kumuita mono asengencho nintete ticket kuruase inafasi ya but I choose not to do that kento nkirike ku emotional intelligence I choose not to fight head on and ine choice yane na bakonyorango korabobe nandi binanje njome tengo sansande nabangina obo semi bwa no bonge enkonyora kuwa sabangina bachire myake menga ke kombwa Usino na basubati abayigo konyoto kore sansa na bongonte bibale na wali gendera ngo ngoraiga gendera ngo kuiga oro gusino koreki no ikire ese totete auto represent koru so nchibuna nateba I will not go on a battlefield no ndebwensi this wali kenda aboli tingo chaka komaki ntebe tarakora nabangi nango tenana ninkora tenanda samatanga na aboli abangi igabo no mwanyole chibase chebyombe haya use igamu akore iruga negane nchingo chikomanya use bakore iru use kiakorekanire kama angera akorekana by offer solution they choose to either take the solution or not take lakini nche na yofire na irure gotomwa lakini barubona bakwa mwana naki enchere yigatokwa nane korende Rebecca nche no nae ninkonyora tingo tokonyora ngokurwa nimuna nateba ninyora kwa make a mistake ingo kurangiri kando ngokwanere buna Rebecca ngotebi this is the right thing siasa terikani sabuna kwateba kwarura basacha bagotingana chisegi basubati ntwege iri segi basubati ntwege ire kogenda ngorake nabo twege nonya nyumba igekero musacha achira konyegera yiga utukwira nanse nalyo taku no ene chindwe so those are things I mentor Osenkwegeria basubati baminda and part of the conversations I have with the women so according to the report forms tigaba na inchi bamaki nenje nindete yani maki njemboli nkinakolire ebi emboli buna nje kinakolire buna nje bugari ninde tayari ko tebe kire nakole buna
nje bono buna nakwana iko gukwana asama go sare ko tebe ngekeneke nkerigo okuno kurwani my fellow woman bono nonyo go chaka kobeka keregento igo bone go chikoba kongo for example nago sabera mabenche ngo sabera maya oyo kuboma ete ne battle in the field what a race oyo gotangana tangane bono ne kesi otangane buna bono go tebe nga tori go tinga ose inko bori wate beringo ikuno go tingo musubati mte shat oranyora no musubati go rogali obeire go say a president go so beire governor igo to como bori gento go tote go tinga musubati igo tote go tano go tinge shat sure
but I think como bori in public I think for me the approach nearinga at the end of the day the accountability normally abananchi are being like what do you think what do you think about the as per the constitution you know women why do you feel that there is a gap and you are I think Madam Rebecca for me it's my concern that I know what the right maybe yoko magi register yabo I mean a scorecard yabo because
Mheshimiwa Bwari
nabwa narengo makere Bwari because she's nominated. Actually, we'll ask you.
Yes.
I think for me, Nyatich, you have a right. You have a right to Kobori. In fact, you went to Kobori, madam.
Muna
because
madam
she's not-
mutete
she's have
mobori
a
bana
responsibility.
mwagire.
Now, you see, like the accusation, like the accusation she put ahead, the accusation of Gosechira Sylvia Mbengo, I don't know. Erena amanyete nchibona tingo chaka kuruta magena otabirena naki sanitary towels ngwanda chire cyakoraki chemo kigugu maybe erena achete kumaki report card era akanyona nchitinda agenda and it's not my responsibility tingo enda nchikoligererie somo muswati na kwa into bya ko barana naki na yaya sanitary towels yana ne chinganiga ibi bob motebe byane byansire nchitigambo nkole kyane ayemboli kirikyane
yeso kwekekero muntu nare gasya
I think for me, Rebecca now what right because she for now Honorable Bwari na Donya and other leaders were elected. You owe us a responsibility over the thing. What have you done? You as a nominated MC of Kisii County and the women rep. So that Rebecca I think we also have a right. What have you done? Perhaps even have to ask you like, what did you do?
Yeah.
One like Narkubori, by the way, ina kumiri because mbona na manjirenga I nominated MCA teneta masai yaba sibati so ntino nje muno musibati nanya komanya niche no ngwanya goteba buje ndiri ro gwate every for
I always speak in every platform
neni muno ntete ukobori muna yo musibati okwenda gali mate sometimes twakwandege ntino ende twagekorere gas action speaks louder than words ngogenda dore bono muna function echichi kwenda muna gusi women leadership network kwenda wakwana ali wata muno musibati basibati bateke elect post basibati bakorega naiga kwa mentora abang bono lakini aroko boli muna ya sa person abasibati mbarenga kwa mentor nende muna kwa ba mentor for instance mbarenga wa empower especially in politics.
And you are the first person who has been mentored by madam.
Yeah, thank you because you are asking me a question. Ilikuwa respondi ayo mwenyene kwa tayana naki kwa nyore in platform sisengo kuana and I have mentored you and that is what you said from your mouth. Na abakuwa niko babo semi ngotebia basibati tafadhali tosoke tuborie birogo. And not only in platforms and that is not the only platform I go to. Sunday we were in International Women's Day, we celebrated in Kisii University. I was nande t-shirt nere yembegete International Women's Day eiga inasema give to take. Umeona?
Yes.
It is a responsibility that every forum ebwata basibati I am there seated with the women within the women to have a conversation ya basibati kukwanira basibati every opportunity nkonyora buna nago kwanirete nayo ukayigwa na inchina bongo kwanira abantu abonsi abanyaruka ngende skuru abana abanyaruka ngo kwanira ngende nonya na matanga asengo chiebirero ngo kwanande nkora igumole nkobori abangina hai mora ngwancha mole mosoke toliye birogo byoborai so that I have done nabora nyore tindage kora 100% unangote no undeta yore 100% lakini ase nafasi eri enkenge kama nega sivyo ariyo gonchuka korandia opasta borabo opasta na bora nyoro ngobekirwa mazi boli aya maswali yande ayo opasta
power in politics abunde tonte bi matoba barenga oyo madam no like yan like to
I have empowered you I have empowered Mheshimiwa Purity Kirera who's now vying for MP Bonchari. I have empowered Mheshimiwa Celestine who's my colleague who is now vying for MCA Chitago Borabu. There is my colleague Edna Kwamboka. I have empowered her. She's going to vie in Bomacho Gebo Chitendere Ward. I have empowered a number of young girls. I can name them. Not UDA. I have told you. I have given you examples of the people that you know.
Maybe I think maybe I'm mentored.
And I'm with examples of the people that she knows. But I've also told you, I have a forum of women.
Empowered me because you've never supported me.
Okay, what kind of support do you want?
Like in a forum now, but I never musiaba. Aga kwana segete goro. Egente kwa kwande gote bine tinga ameni empower.
But you big and I requesting njembali gali tukumukwa negente.
Because I don't know the kind of Toto Tarakora. I would want to know what mheshimiwa means by empowerment, what kind of empowerment she's referring to. Nabokonyora na kinagote nje I learn every day. What kind of empowerment are you talking about? Because the empowerment I've done is my nurturing abana baiga kinyaruka. What kind of empowerment turaga ni nkore rinde nyore na ikirire abandi bache baisoki asoborai.
Yani empowerment in terms of tote bono bunanko bori nje no muntu umanyete to be sincere mbono gega na arorire ko content no positive ni lakini trochu no manyete before kanga nkwanga kirete no esimi ondangiro ntebi no nyegente umate we empower na tari rasmi muntu support mo financial kanga nkwanga kirete simi nangino no bisi yao orocho no ne group imbone wachire goteba ga gono ntu taumera na ga kanga tonga group
Keren starting point.
I think there's still time. Mheshimiwa, I think you are learning. Need to continue empowering.
No, empowerment never stop.
Empowerment.
No empowerment. No ene corona ikaga igototo. Igente getanga na mutena. Congratulations girl, I love what you are doing. What is empowerment? Oh, komoyo. That is part of the empowerment. Idiogo saba. But anyway, I am well corrected. I will call you to my office for coffee.
Yeah.
And
time.
Yeah, since jeri jirojo egento gereka motutanya kabaka to kwali tukulia basubati tabendo kwande gendo ko kunga gender based violence eywe bwatira ntubaga yatora mangana ko female genital mutilation tabendo kwande ngente kingo tora twa aid service ko cheso mwana inchi uri retete baro ba lero generally ingiranya ko kwanera au fatole aso wa chief that have zero tolerance to these vices gender based violence na boyko female genital mutilation.
Yeah, tuakorire gintu gikoro question analysis kese county edito gonchoka na sub county Chonspi tuarigereria rate of gender based violence iri kisi and I can tell you out of our abantu babire bakwenda a police station ko make a report and once one case ne ya gender based violence. Gender based violence nko include muswati goitwa nko include sodomy umusacha kwa sodomize, nko include rape cases and defilement cases, nko include FGM, nko include nonyana baswati aboro kako seri gukurusobo. So gender based violence is a wide topic. But what have we done? To ensure na we're working together with the county commander to ensure na ase every police station no batege tukikuru kwa gender desk. Gender desk yege kero kwenda kwa make report ya hongo ikere gari ya bwatu gukuru gari. And I have told every woman onde bwensi ikire police station tarakonyeka, please call me. Please call my number because ega se ya GBV na rege nteke tanga ninte kurwani uno mo MCA kisi county. So ekero tu abikire gender desk eri gari ko make sure turi ekineke ya chakire ko bwatigo to esaransire na ba chief na ba sub chief be county ngima with the office of the county commissioner. Pia tuakwanira ba chief to batebiria mangana kangaru courts kokorire bina birigari batige ekina kama muntu otokire okorira magoso especially defilement and all these other things cia sumo bosio tiagenda straight baka kotini. Also in the medical sector tuachire gari sanyigitari yetu ya KTRH. We've spoken to the management and to our governor Paul Simbarati tuakwanira amangana agenda based violence especially defilement ekoro ko nagalia turi gwakana no nesinge yemo. We've ensured a section ere ya GBV ere kando ese munogo ikaiga counseling nerororo stages nchiro gweteri guchobonya kitali wapimu gwakorera all those things. So we've ensured that he's free of charge. Koenda kotini from the office of the ODPP tuikire twairira malamisha eto na members of the county assembly bari tuatarire garia in support of the CSOs bagusigaiga twairira malamisha tuatebiri na gakikuru office of the ODPP cases nyinge nchire chikoba file yego siekwa umuntu ataranyora justice. Ntote tuachire tuamanye chi loopholes echiga chigotoka na kichi files echiga chitarigo ichorigwa what happens the stages chigoetera garia. So the office of the ODPP mbuyere. Do we have lawyers? Ntubate paralegals abaiga toire with the CSO network. Ntubate chiwakili chire ready will support amangana gender based violence like wakili ya choki is one of the champions we celebrate all the time because ngoto konyari sana sa amangana gender based violence. We have very many wakilis bago tokonya amangana yega gender based violence. So for that I'll say onde bwensi turere stuck at any point. Please let us know. The challenge that we have currently igento tutabwati we don't have a safe space for abantu abaiga tukuruka survivors victims abaiga banyorire shide chiga ndobwati a safe space for them and enyumba ni rijane tongera roseti iriga iga daraja moja handed over to Donya. I raised a statement in the county assembly because inche responsibility entari koenda kuranagare sama kondo. I have been given a platform yogo complain and that is in the county assembly. I raised a statement ingo tebe institution yiga negwete ko handed over etige gutumika buno obisi etumeke kukonya cases cia abantu ba GBV and that institution nebwate bitandini nebwate echikoni nebwate chiobisi nebwate inafasi yomuskari nebwate nafasi yechi wakili so all these things no ene nafasi ye munyagitari negotokere all these things can be handled in that one place and we are still on following up jabeto women repekera to amoboreti to irete statement yiga atebeta gwente ko beke fence hand it over and we are still following up so on matters gender based violence I think we are making a very good progress do we still have the challenges yes they are there are we willing to fight we are willing to fight as International Women's Day let it be a gift that in February oye namba yani anytime baswati mbari bagwa kuno gwa kuno mogaka bangakira
but I think
na solve those issues so we are ready to go that
Toto I gender based is it normally recent that's how about
Gender based violence
I have spoken about sodomy we have cases of sodomy reported in so far last year yoka the report we had from KTRH we had 4 cases of sodomy abasaja babere sodomized abasaja abaiga mogo ituna baswati baina shida mole na manta abasaja muri gocha mokwane moko ingenda lakini tumetengo itumole nonya no toto na ihungo akwale lakini ngo itumole
kuna nata
tanya kondipo konte
wana nata kupore tikonya
ikobono aye ototo I think masajo ndo bwensi ali ko madam na eto ena
yabangake inamba yane tafadhali I'm willing to give it out onde bwensi obate kinakia gender based violence gender na bakani tari mosuba gender I said gender it could either be a man or a woman so onde bwensi obate kinakia gender based violence I am willing to take this gender asante
madam brief dio kwa hizo chia alire brief ringira nyaka kwa na register ge chiga mangana ya gender based violence
mangana agenda based violence nanye kago batemiro go fight gura kini bado naro na ichiro ilogo konyora mostly abantu ba chi victims chichiko ani aba konyora bari involved na chi cases chi agenda buna assault buna rape sodomize ebintebyo okonyora mostly bari babwate chibesa igente yani amangana ya law ye ego favor bali babwate chibesa sengenja abandi abataka musina bakubwata ababandi abatene konyora montaro ko sino bisigete okoro mwana gete style gete ikine kukyabe kukana geirigo chikyali gere bono nare go saba bali bare associated na mangana ayo babe fair in terms of the way bakwando chikese sichu yandira ikimontago cyo banga chibesa batiga kero bagutigo omonto nonye orepirio mwana oyo bamutigire bare ngoro charare
some brief kwa niaba ya basaja
okay on behalf of Abasaja let us be supportive to these women. I was in the mood of women International Women's Day. We'll have our day. And I think Mheshimiwa, you are in the county assembly. Before Tararo, please, I think men's, we only have a few days. Where we are being celebrated. I think Mheshimiwa, that is a genuine concern for us in that space. Please do it. Lakini rende, as it is. Wanawake wote tunawa celebrate our sisters, our grandmothers. No, they are also mothers. Na I celebrate you sana na nabata kira bashimiwa maya. Mogo olinya sago cha wancha ko skigo chibosio. We are hoping that the plans you have, and when I listen to you, indeed we have a promising generation. And tuna ba muraba kei ka tutaratora those opportunities. For now you are there. So when you are given an opportunity to serve, please do it.
Mbya margima. Tindiko bai bagali yo koira na sanda apu na twakora chanda
Tugontirwa
pesa
tekwa,
na twakorera teba wana kweli bwa 30 seconds.
mwancho murigereria asante sana stokora magoso twabere estokwa na ria tafadhali tugenderere umuswada nuru kuru kugenda mainstreaming policy twetigarie bunge ya Gusii gukwanira mangana yonsi ipi tafadhali very soon we are launching it in the stadium. Asante
Madam.
mwancho murigerie mbuya muna soko torige na gututegerera ngosaba mu support 2027 nkoro kurebe kanyati chibosire ncheno mwarimu by profession naende nkuru daraja mbiri gari kitutu Chache South constituency ngosaba mu support tugende bosi tuire county itu bosi
Bia mono mwanchu murigereria buna tokorero murogwege karoe magoro baya rero omus Kenya tichi no musike bwali utonya ko to kusanga mangeli tukerigeria rero litukoria renge lituko lyo gochengera abasubati nuna ati kata bandu turgo bachengera litukoria lyo keto gwachengera kira lituko sama tuko 365 was 366 stima na bali gotuma na lenga kala na kameta to na kete lakini kerensa na kireda gika ni gotoko bachengera gakora no bali semo yengencho asama maito incherio ngoro kwaro no to nyangiri tomirane ase egekeke mutu asama ngana mayaye kionga chinsanye.